In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove calendar and contacts integration in Zoom. If you want to disconnect your calendar and contacts from your Zoom account, this is a quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Removing this integration can be helpful if you no longer want Zoom connected to your scheduling tools, or if you simply want a little more control over what's linked to your account. To get started, open Zoom in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main account area, look for the My Account option and click on it. This will take you into the section where your personal Zoom settings and account details are managed. After that, click on Profile. This is where Zoom stores your basic account information, along with several connected features and settings. If you don't see the option right away, just take a moment to look through the account menu until you find it. Staying in the Profile section is important because that's where the integration setting appears. Now scroll down through the profile page until you find the calendar and contacts integration section. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, you may need to scroll a bit further, so take your time and make sure you don't skip past it. This section shows whether your Zoom account is currently linked to a calendar or contact service. Once you've found calendar and contacts integration, click on Delete. This is the action that removes the connection from your Zoom account. After you click it, Zoom may ask you to confirm the change. If that happens, go ahead and confirm so the integration can be fully removed. That's it. Once the deletion is complete, your calendar and contacts integration will no longer be connected to Zoom. If you ever need it again in the future, you can return to your account settings and set it up again from the appropriate section. As a final tip, after removing the integration, it's a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and make sure the change has been applied successfully. This helps confirm that the connection is actually gone and that your settings have updated properly. And that's how to remove calendar and contacts integration in Zoom.